Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check that your universal remote lists Dawlance or supports 3-digit and 4-digit AC code sets, because code type matters for pairing. Next, insert fresh batteries and power cycle the Dawnance AC using the wall switch for 10 seconds so the unit resets. This reduces pairing conflicts. Once done, stand within 1.5 meters and aim at the indoor IR receiver. Make sure there is clear line of sight, since infrared requires direct visibility for reliable signal exchange. Switch the universal remote to AC mode and try known Dawlance codes first. Enter codes such as 171, 172, 193 if your manual lists them, because direct code entry is fastest. If those don't work, perform the remote's auto search. Press and hold the set or prog button until the LED blinks, then let the remote step through codes while pointing at the AC. Press OK when the unit responds. Listen and watch for beeps, display changes, or fan speed toggles. Those physical responses confirm that once the Dawlance responds, lock the code by pressing OK or save as your remote instructs, because saving prevents the remote from cycling away. Then test all functions. Mode changes like cool or heat, fan speeds, swing, timer, and temperature up/down to ensure every command maps correctly. If something fails, first replace batteries and move closer. If still no response, repeat the auto search or try a different universal remote. This troubleshooting tip fixes most issues caused by weak IR or incompatible code sets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.